technology in agriculture. So here's IoT-based smart agriculture system, which is designed to help monitor crop health using IoT technology. As a result, farmers and associated brands can easily monitor the crop health without any hassle from anywhere. The application of IoT in agriculture targets conventional farming to meet the increasing demands and decrease the productivity losses. As we know, Nepal is an agricultural country where the agricultural sector is the backbone of its economy, contributing more than 24% of the country's GDP. However, the agricultural sector is facing numerous challenges like climate changes, water scarcity, productivity losses. Therefore, there is a dire need to introduce modern technology in the agricultural sector.
Even though Nepal is an agricultural country, we have seen very less advancement in agricultural sector. Now, farmers still go for traditional method of farming, which is open field farming. They don't like to farm in enclosed structure. They don't really go for vertical farming. They still go for open field farming, due to which they are experiencing a lot of loss in their business. This is because of many soil-borne diseases that can capture the plants, which can kill these plants. Now, if we do the same open field farming but in a closed structure, you can call that greenhouse farming. Still, farmers don't really opt for greenhouse farming. This is because farmers can't really maintain the two essential factors that are required in greenhouse farming. One of those being temperature, the other being humidity. Farmers can't really maintain the temperature, which should not be below a certain level in a greenhouse, and the humidity should not be over a certain degree. Now, the greenhouse model that we have created overcomes all of those challenges in an automatic way, and it makes farming easier for these farmers. Now, here we have a DHT22 module, which is a temperature and Wi-Fi temperature and humidity module actually. And what it does is it maintains the temperature and humidity of the soil inside the greenhouse. So that challenge is easily overcome.
We have also used other sensor as a parametric pressure sensor, which calculates the pressure inside the greenhouse. We have also used a soil moisture sensor. So we have coded the threshold value of the soil moisture sensor. When the moisture level in the soil decreases more than 50%, then the automatic irrigation system is turned on. And if this, when the moisture in the soil is again more than 50%, it automatically turns off. We have also used a pH sensor, which calculates the pH value of the soil. The new concept we have got inside this greenhouse is vertical farming. It's a new type of farming which is not widely used in Nepal. It uses a vertical capsule for plantation, so it's very advantageous as in less area there is a lot of production.
With all the sensors, we have also used two exhaust fans on either side of the greenhouse and a cooling fan. With all the other components that the teammates had mentioned, temperature is also one of the main components that we need to make sure is maintained in the greenhouse, because if the temperature is too high or too low, the plants will experience some kind of stress and trauma, which will cause cellular damage, loss of pollen and flower dropping, which will decrease their production. So, the use of exhaust fan on either side of the greenhouse, as you can see, is that it pulls the hot air that has been built up inside the greenhouse outside and takes the fresh air from outside the surrounding inside the greenhouse to different ventilations that we have installed. Now, only taking the fresh air from outside to inside of the greenhouse is not important. We have to also make sure that it is maintained throughout the greenhouse. Now, we have used the cooling fan for the same purpose, that is to maintain the airflow inside the greenhouse and balance the temperature and prevent humidity. If the temperature is below 20 to 30 degrees, we start these fans and maintain the temperature.
This project, decreasing levelness with the help of the sensor, measurement of temperature with temperature sensor, measurement of soil moisture level with soil moisture sensor. In conclusion, IoT-based agriculture monitoring system is a helpful tool for farmers to grow crops and automate irrigation. It uses sensors to provide real-time data. It collects data on things like soil moisture, temperature, humidity, etc. This project plans to use AI in the future to help farmers grow crops and automate irrigation. Thank you.